Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day. Welcome to Financial Management eLearning. Today we are going to discuss Information Technology CA certificate level 50 numbers of MCQ. It will help you for preparation for your next CA exam. So let us start. Lastly, we have completed from number 1 to 1000 MCQ. Today we'll start from 1001 number of MCQ. When the sender is informed that the message has been received in its real sense, this is called the process of definitely feedback. Look here, this is the process of communication feedback loop. Here sender sending his or her message through encoding, and after decoding and receive the receiver, and when receiver informed to the sender, it's called feedback. So here answer is feedback. Number 2, which process check to ensure the components computer are operating and connected properly? We have 4 answer here, but the real answer is booting. So we can say booting process is to ensure the components of computer are operating and connected properly. Answer booting. Look here, this is the booting process. Number 3, on the keyboard of computer is character has an ASCII value which stands for, what is the meaning of ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Your answer is B. So ASCII means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. This is the ASCII table. With regard to what processing software, the process of combining static information in a public together with variable information in a data source to create one merged published is called mail merge. So here answer is mail merge. Mail merge, what processing software, the process of combining static information in a public together with variable information in a data source to create one merge published. It's called mail merge. Your answer is D, mail merge. The brain of a computer which keeps peripheral under its control is called CPU, Central Processing Unit. So your answer is D. What is blog? We know blog is a personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal. A personal or corporate website in the form of an online journal, it's called blog. Your answer is C. Encoding data for transmission across a network is known encryption. So encoding data for transmission across the network is known as encryption. We know here after encrypted data, the send to the sender through a media, then through the description key, decode it and receive it by the receiver. So here encoding data for transmission across a network is known as encryption. Also C. That is a type of memory circuit that hold the computer's startup routine. ROM, read-only memory. So ROM is a type of memory circuit that hold the computer's startup routine. Answer C. This is the ROM. Which of the following correctly listed computer memory types for highest to lowest speed? So highest to lowest speed. If we see the picture, so here, so start from secondary memory, then main memory, cache memory, then CPU register. Lower is secondary memory, then main memory, cache memory, then CPU register. So here higher is CPU register. If you see here, answer is this one. CPU register, then cache memory, then secondary memory, then main memory or RAM. So here highest speed to lowest speed of computer memory. Your answer is B. CPU register, then cache memory, then secondary storage, then main memory RAM. Your answer is B. Now the data storage hierarchy consists of, so data storage hierarchy consists of, if you see the picture here, character, that means bytes, fields, record, files, then database. So we can say The answer is first bits, and we know 8 bits make a byte, and bytes keep in the field, or fields make a records that within the file, and all over it makes the database. So here answer is A. The data storage hierarchies consist of bits, bytes, fields, record, files, and database. Answer A. The term DNS stands for, so what's the meaning of DNS? Domain name system. Here answer A. DNS stands for domain name system. Which of the following presents a 1 billion character? 1 billion character. If we see the storage capacity, kilobyte meaning 1000 character, megabyte 1 million, gigabyte 1 billion, terabyte 1 trillion, this way. So here a 1 billion, that means gigabyte. So gigabyte presents a 1 billion characters. Answer C. Which device can set of vertical bars, different wires for specific data, and are used to read tag and merchandise in stores, medical record, library books, etc. It must be barcode reader. Barcode reader device scans a set of vertical bars, different wires for specific data, and are used to read tag and merchandise in stores, medical records, library books, etc. Here answer is A. Barcode reader. The instruction that tell computer how to carry out the processing tasks and refer to as computer is programs. So here answer is A. The programs is the instruction that tell computer how to carry out the processing tasks referred to as computer is programs. Answer A. Bob 3 and I have an email account in which one only has to be connected to the server to send and receive email. Only one can be connected. The same account, only one person, the owner, to be connected to the server to send and receive email. Answer C. Names in Internet Technology stands for Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. Answer A. Secure Multipurpose Internet Mail Extension. Where can the data be updated? Data can be updated from operational environment. Answer C. So from operational environment, data can be updated. Look here data capture module here, detection module here, and operational environment interface here. So within the operational environment, data can be updated. Answer C. Total number of layers in OSI model. We know the OSI model is Open System Interconnection, OSI, and it has the 7 layer. The layers are physical layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, presentation layer, application layer. Totally 7 layers. Total number of layers in Open Systems Interconnection, that means OSI model, is 7 layers. Answer C. A branch of general auditing concerned with control of information, that means control of information and communication technologies, is information audit. So information audit is a branch of general auditing concerned with control of information and communication technologies. Your answer is A. Information audit. A digital signature is an authentication of an electronic record by laying its uniquely to a key only sender knows. So digital signature is an authentication of an electronic record. So here answer is C. Access control basis on a person's fingerprint. Example of characteristics identification. Answer B. Characteristics identification. Access control based on a person's fingerprint is example of characteristics identification. Answer B. A conventional logic circuit that essentially performs a reverse decoder function. reverse decoder function means encoder. Answer A. So reverse decoder function is encoder. Answer A. The small computer network that are confined to a localized area. So here main basic is localized area. An office, building or a factory are called LAN, local area network. The small computer network that are confined to a localized area like an office, building or a factory are called local area network LAN. So it's a picture of a local area network connected in the locally all devices here, which topology comprises of a number of stations connected directly to a central station or control. Directly connected to a central station or control. Star network topology. Look here, the star network topology is connected directly, centrally connected directly. So here answer is star topology. Answer A. Document converted to that can be published to the web. HTML. So document converted to HTML can be published to the web. We know the HTML is the language for web publishing. Answer D. Which generation of computer control was centralized in a single CPU and all operators require direct intervention of the CPU? We know that was the first generation computer. So first generation computer control was centralized in a single CPU and all operators require direct intervention to the CPU. Here answer is A, first generation computer, which carries signals in the form of fluctuating light in a glass or plastic fiber. Definitely answer fiber optic cable. So fiber optic cable carries signal in the form of fluctuating light in a glass or plastic fiber. Answer A, fiber optic cable. So this is the fiber optic cable. In which unit all the jobs related to arithmetic and logical performed? ALU unit, arithmetic and logic unit. So this is the ALU unit within the computer. ALU unit, all the jobs related to arithmetic and logic are performed. Answer B. An unauthorized access into other system is known as hacking. An unauthorized access into other system is known as hacking. Answer A. A set of programs with the specific tasks of managing entire system is operating system. A set of programs with the specific tasks of managing entire system is operating system. So operating system is a set of program is manage the overall tasks entire the system. Answer A. What is digital convergence? Digital convergence, merging of digital communication technologies. Merging of digital communication technologies is digital convergence. Answer A. The binary number system consists two symbols 0 and 1. We know it. Each group of 8 bits makes up a numeric or a specific character is called, we know it, byte. 8 bits make a byte. Answer B. TCP IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Answer A. TCP IP stands for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. Answer A. The computer-to-computer exchange of documents between companies is termed as electronic data interchange. So electronic data interchange is the terms of the computer-to-computer exchange of document between companies. Answer A. Junk email is also called, therefore answer here, correct answer is spam. So we are discussing only correct one. কারণ আমরা দেখেছি যে আমি যদি সবগুলি পড়তে যাই তখন ভুলটাও যদি পড়ে ফেলি, ভুলটা মাথার ভিতরে গেঁথে যায়, আবার ভিতরে মেমোরিতে ভুলটাও ঢুকে যায়। আসল পরীক্ষার সময় দেখা যাবে ভুলটাও সামনে আসলে মনে হবে এটাই কারেক্ট। সো এই জন্য আমরা চেষ্টা করি, আমরা সবসময় আমরা চেষ্টা করবো যে কারেক্টটা যদি আমার জানা থাকে বা অ্যাকুরেট থাকে তাহলে কারেক্টটা পড়ে নেব। সবগুলি পড়বো, কেন এটা নয় সেটাও জানবো, তবে কারেক্টে পড়লে আমার প্রস্তুতি নিতে সুবিধা হবে। সো দ্যাটস ওয়াই হিয়ার উই আর সেইং দ্যাট junk email is also called spam. Answer A. A directory within a directory is called subdirectory. One directory within the directory is called a subdirectory. Answer D. Video transmission over the internet that looks like delayed live casting is called real-time video. Video transmission over the internet that looks like the live casting is called real-time video. Answer D. The process of laying out of the document with text, graphics, headlines, and photographs is involved in desktop publishing. Answer C. The process of laying out of document with text, graphics, headlines, and photographs is involved in desktop publishing. Answer C. World Wide Web is a collection of linked information residing on computers connected by the internet. Answer C. World Wide Web, a collection of linked information raising on computers connected by the internet. Answer C. Which of the following statement is correct? Here 4 statement, 1 statement correct, so others are partially correct. So your correct answer is modem converts the analog signal into digital signal and vice versa. Modem converts the analog signal into digital signals and vice versa. It is the fully correct answer. So here within 4 answer, D is correct. Another 3 are partially correct, but fully correct is D. Answer D. What is the full form of LCD? The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display. Answer A. So this is the LCD monitor, liquid crystal display is the full form of LCD. Answer A. Accuracy, purpose, relevance, validity, and timelines are the features of information. Answer B. Accuracy, purpose, relevance, validity, and timelines are the features of information. Answer B. The technology which include microcomputers, mid-size server, and large mainframe system, and the input-output storage device support them are computer hardware technology. So computer hardware technology, which includes microcomputer, mid-size server, and large mainframe system, and the input-output and storage device that support them. Here answer A, computer hardware technologies. Saving is the process of copying a document from memory to a storage medium. Saving is the process of copying a document from memory to a storage medium. Here answer is A. A conference between 2 or more participants in different site by using computer network to transmit audio and video data is video conferencing. So nowadays we are in very much familiar video conferencing. At this moment we are in Zoom class. So a conference between 2 or more participants at different site by using computer network to transmit audio and video data is called video conferencing. Answer A. The system whereby computer use exchange messages, getting etc. with each other by internet is very cheaper rate is electronic mail. Answer A. So electronic mail is a system whereby computer user exchange messages, gettings, etc. with each other via internet at a very cheaper rate. Electronic mail. Answer A. Which provide a single interface to use the processing of protocol www. World Wide Web. Which device can be used to scan images, posters, magazine pages, other physical object like ornament, etc. So, optical scanner. So, optical scanner is a device. It can be used to scan image, poster, magazine page, etc. Answer A. When auditing the proposed acquisition of a new computer system, an information system auditor should first establish a clear business case has been approved by the management. This question taken from the CISA. Its answer is A. When auditing the proposed acquisition of a new computer system, an IS auditor should first establish that a clear business case has been approved by the management. The answer is A. Which of the following is the appropriate definition of a computer? Here all are the definition, but appropriate definition here, answer B. Computer is an electronic device that can store, retrieve, and process both qualitative and quantitative data quickly and accurately. Answer B. So this way we have completed 50 numbers of MCQ from 1001 to 1050. See you at my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.